Miss Francis Miguel and Laios are telling a story about goose with a golden egg. Once upon a time, there was a man and his wife. They had a goose. The goose lays golden egg every day. One day, the man and his wife, they want to be rich. They cut and killed the goose, and thinking the goose was made of gold. But after that, the goose was normal goose. After that, they don't have golden eggs anymore. The moral of the story, think before you act.
Yay!